Hello, in front of me I've got Jedi Survivor. In this video I'll show you how to use Holo Map. In the beginning, while in the game, press M button. Now we are in Holo Map. Next to Holo Map, we can check our path, places that are locked currently, this red blocked paths. Also we can place beacons, remove them. We can check our current destination, and in the top left corner we can see map and whole galaxy. Also next to the name of current area we are in, we've got the percentage of completion of the area. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.